Hello everyone, my name is Anmol Malviya and currently I am working as a data analyst in Addend Analytics. So today in the series of ChatGPT for data analytics, we will see how we can use ChatGPT to modify M Code and DAX measures. Let's suppose you are working on a project which is recently assigned to you and it consists of a table which has around 50 to 60 columns. So you don't want to explore the dataset by visiting to each column and looking at each one of them such that what that dataset contain. So what you can do is you can simply copy the M code of that table and paste it in ChatGPT and then explore the dataset. Let's see how we can do this. So we will directly navigate to ChatGPT. Once you log into ChatGPT, you will get this interface, and what you have to do is you have to assign the role to the tool. Once you assign the role to the ChatGPT, then what you have to do is you have to start entering your prompt. I have already copied M code, so I will ask ChatGPT please explore the below M code and extract the column name and table name. First we want to know about all the column names and table name. So we will enter this prompt. So as you can see here, it has provided the table name as members and it has written the list of all the columns consisted in that table. Then I can ask it provide me the data type of all the column. Now it will return me the list of the column name along with its data type. Now let's suppose you want to know exactly what this dataset contains. So what you have to do, you have to enter the prompt as describe the dataset. It will explain about each column. So as you can see here, it has explained me the detail about each column, but you want to know the summarized result. So what you have to do, you have to click on stop generating, then you have to modify the prompt as summarize the dataset. Now you can see it has provided me the summarized detail about the dataset. So in this way you can explore the dataset using the M code. Now let's suppose you have a DAX measure which has already been created by someone else in your organization on a report, and it is a bit complex. So what you have to do, you have to copy this that measure. I have already written that measure. I will simply copy it and paste it. So what I have is I have this projected revenue calculation DAX measure, and I have entered the prompt as explain the below DAX measure and add comments to it. So when I enter this prompt, what ChatGPT will do is it will add the comment and explain the measure to me. So as you can see, what ChatGPT did is it has added the comment and explained about the each step. So this is all about how you can use ChatGPT to explain the DAX measure and explain the dataset using M code. Thank you for watching.